Wow. You're curly here.
Huh? My hair is messy. It's
I
long.
miss you so much.
I think you must have posted the funniest video I ever saw in my
I
life.
cannot hear you.
Hello?
Okay, now. I miss
You,
you.
I think you posted the funniest video I ever saw in my life with the
What?
guy in the
What?
club.
In the club? Oh my God. It's just for fun. Dancing queen.
You're just so funny. When
Yes.
do you have like a TV show coming soon?
What?
Do you have a TV show coming soon? Oh my god, my hair is so
No,
crazy.
I don't have a TV show. I want to
No
show
TV
you.
show? Hmm?
What are
My
you
hair's so
doing?
trying to figure out why my hair's so long. I'm working. No, I'm not jealous. That was funny. It was funny. I
I
laughed.
miss you so much. You're
Oh,
comatose.
I'm coming to Philippines. Just
When?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I wish. I go to Vietnam tomorrow.
Really? Oh my God, you're liar.
Can I
The
see?
seed
Can
of
you
the
pet the
Boracay.
chicken today?
What?
Can you pet the chicken today? I want to see the
Yes,
chicken.
the chicken. The chicken is in the neighbor.
Let's eat it.
Yes, I will find you the chicken. The chicken is over there. And chicken. Hoy,
Oh, come with us.
you're comatose. You can see the chicken. What ang ina mo?
I like him.
You not see the chicken.
I saw him. Like,
I,
let's name
I,
him. Come
I,
with
I
us.
show you the chicken, but you cannot see.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Grab it.
I will find another chicken.
You love chickens?
Yes, no, no chicken, no chicken. Do you like to eat chicken?
Grab the chicken, please. Everyone wants to see you grab the chicken.
Yes. Look at my
Yeah.
house. We have a chandelier. I want to show you my friend.
Who?
You want to try my pretties, David?
What does that mean?
That is my friend. She is a cremation. My friend in Boracay.
You want to try my
Ah,
pretties? My
what
pretties
is
is
free taste?
beautiful. Yes. Where do you come
What?
from? Where do you come
I don't
from?
know. I come from Philippines,
How
Mabuhay.
much you age?
Huh?
How
How
much you
much
age?
your age?
I don't know.
You don't know your age?
Are you guys
Putang.
the same person? Is this your sister?
No. He's my we met in Boracay and he almost a catheter.
Catheter to each other.
What?
Hoy, stand up. Show your body. Show your body. Show.
Try my pretties, okay? When you like it or not.
Uh-uh. You, you, you create your body. Oh. Pak, pak, pak.
You like?
What is going on?
You like David? David!
I have a girlfriend.
Eh,
Piste man ka, eh.
I have a girlfriend.
It's okay. I give you the
you have
pretties.
pretties.
The pretties is now is tetanus.
Ito, you can.
Tetanus already. The pretties is a wonderful, beautiful. You like almoranas, not me?
What do you want? Almoranas or Peters?
I don't speak Spanish.
Are you loading?
Huh?
Are you loading?
Loading, loading.
Yes. I'm loading.
Wow, don't be like that because also my brain is depressed already.
Oh, I'm not loading.
Okay. Nagkagwapo niya yun. Uy, patilawa ko anak yun ba? Turjaka ko ba? That's for me? That's for me?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no. I'm still alive. Peace and peace for you.
Turja ko ba?
Cool. Turjaka ko, cool. Okay, I will dance for you, cool. Dance with me, cool.
Pak, pak, pak. Okay.
I look like I'm in.
One,
I look like I'm in One Direction right now.
Okay. Do wanna fall and never say. Everyone else and you never say yeah. Everyone else can you treat. Baby, you fired a in a company when you ain't under control in your pharmacy. Baby, you light up my wake up in pharmacy. We don't know. Oh, oh. Beautiful and under control. Oh, oh. That's women a beautiful light up, machine up and machine gun and armor light and over and Latigo 50. When you win up and the sample is nothing new, can you win make a chew? And in the money kunti samara amasanamara maya sangyaman sanamana sabat kadiri oo na ayaw pang labte sang say ni pay mi hisang ni mo. Bernice, yung twerk, can you twerk, can you twerk? Can you blow my mind? Sarangi, sarangi. Oh, you're not going to gym? Okay, pogi niya talaga po. Ina.